So hi guys, a very warm welcome in the lesson 5. Here we are going to learn Worli calligraphy. Now for that I have taken a normal sheet, you can even do it in your drawing copy, and divide it into very tiny blocks. See, I have just divided it into 26 blocks randomly with any measurement that you want, and we are going to learn the complete alphabet. Now when you can use Worli calligraphy to make beautiful nameplates. They look really pretty if you do them well. Now let us learn how to do all the alphabets. Now first we will learn alphabet A. So for alphabet A, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create two people. So here I'm creating two people. This is the small neck. Now for the Worli calligraphy, I am going to create many thinner people here and with straight feet. So you can see this forms an A. If you color the people, see the A is clearly visible now. Now we are going to create a B. For a B also I am going to make a single person. Now in this we are going to just curve the hand and we are going to curve the leg of the person to create a B. Now for C we are going to create two people. So first I am creating the head of the first person. This is the small neck. This is the triangle. This is the other triangle. And we are going to take the hands up like this. We are going to create the feet. There is going to be another person in the opposite shape. So this creates a C. Now let me show you how to do a D. Now for the D, I am going to create another person here. Now let me show you how to do the E. For the E, we are going to create a single person. Now this is basically the capital font. So we are doing the hand like that, the other hand like that, and the leg like that. So this creates an E. I will just color all of it and show you how pretty it starts looking, and we can also do the alphabet to make a pretty nameplate. Now for the F, again I'm doing a single person, and in this I'm going to do the legs straight, and we are just going to bend the arms to create an F. Now to create the G, it is going to be two people. This way. Now here we are going to make another person here holding the hands here. Sorry, the hands are going to come down. So the feet we have used to create the G. Now for the H we are going to create two people. So this way we have created an H. I is simple. We are going to create just a standing person's hands straight like this. That is an I. Now for J. You are going to stretch the hands to make the J, this, and you're going to shape the feet like this. So this becomes a J. Now we are going to do a K. Now here we are going to have another person. So I'm going to make that person very thin. So it becomes a K. Now L. For L, I'm going to just shape the feet like this, like we did it for J. Now let me show you how to do M. For M, we are going to again create two people like we did in H. Now just cross their hands here. Okay, and just draw the other hand here. Now comes an N. Again for N we are going to draw two people. Now for N, what we are going to do is we will have to attach this hand with this leg so that it gives the perfect N shape. Now O is going to be similar to C. We are going to use two people. So this comes the body, this is the head, and these are the legs, and this is the hands. In the same way, this is going to be the head, the hands, and the legs. So you get an O shape. Now comes P. P may we need only a single person. We are just going to twist the hand of the late person like this. Now Q. Q is going to be very similar to O. So first draw the body. So one leg is like this. So that gives the Q. Now comes R. For R, again we are going to draw a single person. Straight line. Now R will have another line like this. This hand straight and this hand curved like the P. Now S. Now S is going to have a single person. So head. This is going to be the body. Now body थोड़ा सा हम इस तरह से curve कर देंगे. Hands we'll get it here. The other body को, other part of the body को हम यूँ curve करके feet हम यूँ कर, to give it an S shape. Now T. T is going to have a single person. And we are going to make the hands of the person straight like this, like we did in J. Now comes U. For U, we are going to use two people. अब इनके feet से हमको सब कुछ करना है. We are going to attach the feet like this. And we are just going to make the hands straight. Next comes V. V के लिए भी हमें दो people चाहिए. We are going to attach two feet and the other feet can be straight. Actually other feet को हम थोड़ा छोटा भी दिखा सकते हैं, so it looks better. Now comes W. In fact, for W again we will do two people. Hands are going to be like this, and we will have to shape basically like this. I would, in this also, you can make the other feet like this, so it becomes a V. I would just remove these lines and show you in the end. Now for X, we are going to use two people. Now here, what we are going to do is, we are going to make the upper body triangles meet in the center. Lower body triangles come like that. Hands go up and feet come here. So it becomes a perfect X. Now Y is simple. It's going to be just like T. And the hands go up. And now comes Z. For Z, I am going to use a single person. Now I am going to face both the hands here and both the feet there. Now let me first color all of them, and then I'll show you how the calligraphy alphabets look. So now you can see that the entire calligraphy in Whirly style is done. See, aren't the alphabets looking very nice? So using these alphabets, we can create a beautiful name board. Do create a beautiful name board and share with us. Now that we've learned how to make Whirly calligraphy, let me show you how I used this Whirly calligraphy to create a simple. See, here I have written Whirly art, and I have, instead of using black color, I have used orange color and created a small piece. In the same manner, we can create a nameplate using Whirly art. Let me show you another nameplate which I have done previously, in which I have used Whirly as well as Madhubani fusion. So you can create your Whirly nameplate in this manner also, where we have used Whirly people and you can have your name on top like this. So you can create a Whirly nameplate using Whirly calligraphy and Whirly people, or you can create your Whirly nameplate using Whirly people and fusion alphabets. I hope you have enjoyed all the 5 Whirly basic videos and are wondering how to go ahead and how to learn more about Whirly art. So, as you want to embark upon the journey of learning more about Whirly art, there are a few videos which I have already done and which you can refer to make beautiful paintings. Let me show you some snippets of what we have already made, and you can also create your own. Now you can explore more types of border patterns by going through my border patterns lesson 1 and lesson 2 that I have created, which has over 52 types of borders. You can also learn about more of daily human figures, that were the daily activities carried out by them. A little more if you want to learn about the celebration instruments. You can learn more types of birds and animals. You can also explore more about the various kinds of other forms of Whirly trees and many other forms of Whirly huts as well. I will be mentioning all the links in the description box below. So there is a very beautiful painting on Whirly peacocks which you can check out. You can also do the entire Tarpadang celebration in a complete circle with a sun in between. You can also do the village scene, which we have done in a more detailed manner like this. There are a lot of advanced projects of Whirly which also we have done. Let me show you. You can also create a beautiful Whirly greeting card in this manner. You can do beautiful bookmarkers. There are different videos which I have created on each one of these, and I'll be sharing the links in the description box below so that you can easily access those videos. You can think of making small paintings like these or small posters like these and gift them or use them for your own tables. We have also done how to do Whirly mats, table mats, as well as Whirly acrylic style paintings, Whirly canvas paintings. We have also learned how to do Whirly on fabric pouches that I have created for my pencils and pens. We have also learned how to do wooden Whirly on MDF and creating these beautiful Whirly posters, as well as a beautiful tote bag. So in this way, there are a lot of advanced Whirly videos also that we have created, and you can check them out, try to make these various projects in Whirly style and decorate your house. And I'm super excited now to announce that we will be starting a juniors course on Madhubani very shortly. So do check out, do like the video, do subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified as soon as we start the new Madhubani course. The Madhubani course will for juniors. This is also going to be designed in a step-by-step manner so that you can learn all the basics of Madhubani, starting from basic shapes, borders, then the various elements of Madhubani like the flowers, the fishes, the animals, the birds, and then learning Madhubani painting, small size, as well as various surprise elements in the course. So do subscribe to the channel, do press the notification button, don't forget to press the notification button so that as soon as there is a video or as soon as we are live, you can know about it. So thank you so much for enrolling for this wonderful course, and do continue your learning journey in Whirly as well. Thank you so much. and bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the notification button or the bell button so that you can be notified as soon as we are live or we put a new video. Thank you so much and bye bye.